So standard breakers, GFI breakers, and arc fault breakers. What are they? How do they work? And what do we need them for? Let's dive in. So a standard breaker is a resettable fuse with a thermal magnetic strip inside, and it does two things. One, if your current is overloaded, you had too many things plugged in, it actually heats up the thermal strip. And the second thing that this does is that if your white wire and your black wire accidentally touch, it sends a tidal wave of electrons back to the breaker. And a GFI breaker is a little bit different and a little bit smarter. What it does is actually measures the electrons going out on the black wire and coming back on the white wire, and it makes sure that it's the same, because if that power comes out of the panel into me and into the ground. So an arc fault breaker is actually smarter than all of them. It actually has circuitry inside that determines and separates and identifies a series arc or a parallel arc compared to an electrical motor that sparks when it runs, or maybe when you plug something into an outlet. So a series arc, what that is when a wire is separated and those electrons jump that space, that separation. When it does that, a parallel arc is when you have wire running through a wall and maybe somebody shoots a nail and it rips off the sheathing, and from the black and white wires you get little electrons jumping, making a spark. When that happens, all right, so arc fault breakers prevents fires inside your house, $50 to $60. GFI breakers, they keep you from being electrocuted, $40 to $50. Standard breakers, they help you from burning out your equipment or damaging your branch circuits. They're $10. This, if you see this, run.